Hey guys, good morning. I don't even know what day it is. What day is it? Thursday. That's what day it is. Hey guys, good morning. It is Sonia. It is Thursday and it's a beautiful one. It's a beautiful one because number one, I'm excited to get back to vlogging. So thank you guys for all the support here on my channel. And if you're new around these parts, because we just came off of a 30-day live stream challenge. Hello, we just finished that up this past weekend and it was nice to be able to take a break, take in like a big all right, big deep breath and get ready to go back at it again. And I have missed vlogging so much. Have you guys missed me? Let me know below. Of course, you've probably been hanging out the last 30 days watching me paint furniture. But here in my vlog, I like to get creative. So you see me get creative in kind of all different ways. Sometimes it's, we're doing projects and we're doing DIYs, we're looking at ideas. Sometimes we're being creative in the kitchen as well, right? With my husband, Matt, sometimes we like to, make food and that sort of thing. We like to talk creativity and just do all things creative. I got my stretchy pants on for a different reason today. These are not my regular paint pants because guess what, people? Today is a beautiful day. It's a whole new day and Sonia and Matt are going back to the gym. The gym, I tell you. Matt, how long have we been paying for passes that we haven't been using? Too long? Like, we don't even know. We don't even know. Anybody else out there pay for gym passes that you don't even go? It's not that we weren't going, but we kind of fell off the wagon, rolled down over the hill. Now we've been doing keto and seeing great strides in that in terms of how we eat, but we're ready to bring some exercise back into the program. We do lots, of course, lifting and moving around the shop, but I kind of want to get out and, get back into targeted exercise. For me, I love to run and I love to do the Biggest Loser circuit at Planet Fitness. Anybody else with me? Matt likes to go off and, he has his own plan where he's he's doing his set of reps and working on areas of the body every single day. Me, I don't think I could keep that straight. Although he's tried to help me in the past. I'm just let me run and let me run loose on the Biggest Loser circuit. You know what I'm talking about? So we're gonna get started and leave in just a second for that. And I've got my coffee out in the kitchen here at the shop and it's pouring and I can smell it. I'm gonna go mix it in just a second. And I have to tell you, I got Happy Mail. I got Happy Mail right here. All right, and so I was just opening up my Happy Mail and I thought, wait, I'm gonna do this on camera. And it is from Susan Marie Peterson. Aw, thank you. She sent me just a really nice token of just friendship. I appreciate this so much. I'm gonna put it on, guys. Look what it is. She knows me well, right? Oh my gosh, cutest thing ever. Can you see it? It is a cute little mermaid. Oh, how cute is that? Boom. I like a bracelet I can get on myself as well. Look at that. Thank you, Susan Marie. You are so sweet and kind to take the time to think of me and to do that. Seriously, I love it so much. Thank you. Okay, so I've got my heavy whipping cream. I've got my butter as well, ready to go. I just throw in a block of butter into my coffee. A lot of times people will ask, do you do salted or unsalted butter? For me, it doesn't make a difference. This is just the brand that Matt happened to pick up. I am not a butter snob. I just love butter, and I know that those fats in my coffee make me feel like this is actually my first meal of the day. I also love to put some MCT oil, coconut oil, into here as well, which I'm completely out of, so today I'm gonna have to stop and pick up some more. And like I said, my heavy whipping cream. So because I do not do tracked keto, I enjoy just doing lazy keto, right? Dirty keto, lazy keto, whatever you want to call it. It's just the overall concept of your body not fueling itself with sugar, but rather it's doing what it's got to do through some fats. And you want to use healthy fats. So I'm going to go ahead and put some stevia in here as well, again avoiding the sugar. Usually just do 2 of those. Oh, there is nothing like a cup of coffee in the morning, is there? Let's see. Yum. Okay, this is good. Let's hit the road. I'm gonna sip this and then we're gonna hit the road. Let's be honest here. Because yes, have I taken a cup of coffee with me in the car before? Yes. Does Matt hate it? Positively. Look at this weather, guys. Absolutely beautiful. The roads are dry as a bone and there is no snow. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? I think we just had a polar vortex. But you know what? Punxsutawney Phil, which lives about, what, an hour and a half from here, he did not see a shadow. So we arrived. It is a gorgeous day. I always say, what is that big ball of burning light in the sky? So we're here at Planet Fitness. But here's what's really cool about my Planet Fitness. Okay, are you ready? Right there. Talk about conflicted. Right there, Planet Fitness. And can you see right here? I'm trying to shoot against the sunshine. Let me see if I can find it. Let me just tell you. What's right there is a Goodwill store right there. There it is. Okay, now I can see it. Do you see it right there? There is a Goodwill store next door to my Planet Fitness, okay? So talk about a girl who's feeling conflicted. But I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna run my booty, feel good, and then feel even better when I go back to go picking and junking and hauling, all right? And I'll take you with me too. So let's go get this done. Well guys, we survived the gym, Planet Fitness, and I'll insert a picture. I didn't quite get to 2 miles at the incline and the speed that I was at, but I also know, I have learned that when you go back to the gym for the very first day, you shouldn't kill yourself.
Yes.
Matt knows this well. I kid you not.
I told you.
One of the last times I was at the gym, I was coming back with a rage, okay? And I ran, because I enjoy running, and I ran for over 5 miles, and I got off the treadmill, and I went over and I did these things with your legs with like 100-pound weights, and you swing them forward and backwards. I think I even did the whole circuit that was in there. And I'm like, I feel so good. And Matt kept saying to me, yeah, we'll see how you feel tomorrow. Because as I was doing it, I had a high. I felt so good. What do you call it? Is it the endorphins that release?
Mm-hmm. Runner's high. Runner's high,
right? It felt so good. Well, I kid you not, the next morning I woke up, I could not walk down over the stairs. Like, it was physically painful. And it took me almost a week and a half just to recover from that first day at the gym, and I never went back anymore, right? I put myself today, I thought 30 minutes of cardio would be good to ease myself back into it. My thighs are twitching. You know what I'm talking about? When your skin twitches?
Yeah, it's 66 degrees right now.
Is it really? 66 degrees? I did feel weird walking into the gym with just this workout shirt on, right? Crazy. But when your skin twitches, is that because there's blood flow?
Yeah.
Is that what that is?
And muscle. Yeah, your muscle. You got muscle twitch.
I got muscle twitch, all right.
Yep.
How'd you do today?
I did my obligatory 3 miles.
You did 3 miles? Mm. Matt did the elliptical today, though.
That's you know, that's a Marine Corps thing, right?
You like
because
that?
our basic our basic fitness test is 3 miles, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm in the fitness.
So, you know, that's under 28 minutes and 3 miles. I mean, my best time back in the day was right around 18 minutes.
Wow.
Today I did it in 32, but yeah, I'm just going back. I'm not trying to stress myself out. So I'll slowly work weights back in over the next couple of weeks.
We're back at it today. We're easing into it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll also insert a photo just because I want this vlog to be inspiring to you guys, whether it's just inspiring to know that, hey, you can design a life that you love and just be a normal person and have a wonderful business that supports and just works in harmony with your life. So I want to, you know, be inspirational to know that I'm starting today at day 1. This is what day 1 looks like going to the gym. And trust me, I had to force myself to get here. Yeah, how many times did we say, like, this is going to be the day we go?
Yeah.
This is going to be the day we go. All right?
I can't lie, it's the exact same way.
Yeah, and then, so I took a picture of myself in the dressing room, obviously with my clothes on. That would be weird if I took my clothes off, right, in the dressing room. But I went ahead and I did the scale in here. It's always good if you're weighing yourself. I've lost a ton of weight already without weighing myself because I just wanted to get to a point where I felt good. So the number doesn't mean a whole lot to me, but today I did because I want to, as part of this vlog, as we kick it back off again over the month ahead, I want to show you what, because a lot of people sometimes they want to see a number, right? Like you can look at me and tell that I've lost weight, but I'm going to go ahead and track it this month ahead so you can actually see what happens week by week. And so I'm going to go ahead and insert where I am in my current weight at this time with what I've eaten, like right now, right here.
You know what that does too?
What does it do?
That gives you extra motivation to force you to go to the gym.
It does, right? Because now they're going to hold me accountable. They're going to be like, did Sonia go to the gym? So stay tuned in this vlog because I'll let you know what happens. Right. So we're out here now. We just got a snack to get us back to the shop here in just a little bit. These are Blue Diamond almonds. I love it because growing up in Canada, I loved, and if any of my Canadian family or friends are on here, they'll tell you that I love, 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 and they probably do too, salt and vinegar chips. Did you ever get into them when you lived in Canada with me? No? I think it's because you just wasn't like, it wasn't around you. You know what I mean? No. It's like ketchup chips.
Yeah, ketchup chips was not into.
So here we go. We're talking about all things doing all things healthy, and now I'm already on a tangent of chips, right?
Right.
Because you can't hide what's inside, and I'm a chipaholic. So as a result, with doing keto and going low carb, I have to look for, you know, alternatives. And so this is salt and vinegar almonds that I just popped open, and they're so tasty, and
they're good.
You can do them right on,
these are better.
keto. All right, show them your nuts.
Macadamia nuts, flavor of macadamia nuts.
I was just waiting to say that, right? You guys
They're a little more expensive, but believe it or not, they have a higher fat content and a lower carb count.
Show them the kind, though.
It's Monolo.
What's cool is you don't just have to have plain nuts, people. This is
Onion and garlic.
my onion and garlic.
Manaloa.
Yes. You know what I'm thinking of when I read this? I'm wondering if they used to taste like, if they taste similar to the sweet Hawaiian chips that I
not
love,
at
the
all.
kettle chips. No?
No.
Okay.
It's a nut.
Okay. I'll try just a little bit.
Here, just try one.
You're going to share?
Just go. Yeah.
All right.
Just try one.
Okay. We get the salt and vinegar in my mouth.
Yeah.
Oh, Matt, they're good.
So what does the...
They do taste like those chips.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
I do.
I'm a chip connoisseur.
I'm finding this time around, I am not experiencing the same weight loss I did the first time around. And that's because I started incorporating some new products in, and I'm starting to wonder if the net carb thing is BS, because I'm having a really hard time shedding. Before, it just melted off of me. Now I'm having a lot of gastroenteritis and things like that, where I'm like, I'll lay down and it sounds like I'm brewing beer.
That's attractive.
It's like, my stomach is like
growling. Yeah,
it's ridiculous.
Making weird noises. So anyway, we're gonna go back to the shop and make some lunch in just a little bit. And we're gonna use what we have in our shop refrigerator, so we'll go cook together with that. But first, I already planted the seed. I told you, right? We're gonna go over to Goodwill.
Show.
Goodwill.
All
right.
Let's go.
We're gonna go across the parking lot to Goodwill because I want to see what's there.
She goes, I already planted
I did. You know, I didn't want you to be like, what? We're not going to Goodwill. And then we would have had this whole argument. So I already planted the seed and said, you know, I'm going to want a Goodwill when we come out of here, right?
I know.
See? There's a tip for you. If anything you learn from this vlog, plant the seed. Therefore, they can't argue with you when it's ready to go. All right, let's go to Goodwill. When you drop almonds on the floor and you pick them up and throw them to the birds. So the birds are going to be eating really good in our backyard today. And the chipmunks. Let's not forget about Nonchalant Squirrel and the chipmunks. There you go. Enjoy. All right, let's make some lunch. All right, I'm going to throw some butter in. I've got my my burner on to let this melt. And on the note of throwing out the almonds outside, I always wonder like what a chipmunk thinks or a squirrel thinks when he's like just kind of like walking and hunting and all of a sudden he finds like a smoked almond. Because I like to throw those out in the yard sometimes to the little critters, and I just wonder what they think, like, woohoo, jackpot, hit the jackpot. All right, my butter is going. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my 2 eggs. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in some salt and some pepper. Personally, I love some dippy eggs, so I like my yolks to be a little runny. So I have some zucchini that I cut up, and onion, and also I'm gonna throw in a few mushrooms as well. I'm grabbing some mushrooms to throw in there. I think I'm gonna wash a few more as well. Am I the only one who washes mushrooms? Matt also found this summer sausage. He, of course, being a German boy, loves his sausage, and so he always picks up this kind. Look, we got it on sale today, which is awesome as well. So I'm also cutting off a few slices of this just to put onto my plate. And my veg is just kind of steaming and sauteing and getting nice and just the perfect consistency of how I like to eat my veg. Alright, so here is where we are. So we've got our 2 eggs, dippy style, of course. I learned that term since moving to Pittsburgh, and I love it. And right here, I've got my veg here. I let mine, I'm somebody who likes to let my, I love fried onions, okay? Let me just cut right through to the chase. I love when things get caramelized and just get, you know, to some it might look a little bit burnt, but to me, it's like delicious, right? That's how I like that extra flavor. I am that person who likes to, you know, put a marshmallow over a fire and let it smolder, okay? So yeah, so this is why I like my stuff like this, and I like crunch. And then of course I just cut off some sausage, some summer sausage, and so this is gonna be some great protein, some veg, and yeah, I cannot wait to dig in. The other thing I could do to make this a little bit better is to add some cheese as well, just to top over my eggs, and as everything is still warm and it cools down, it'll just melt my cheese, and that is so good. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of cheese over this too. This is so good. I hope you guys will try it. I think the egg is just so, I'm really sure that if I was ever on a deserted island, they said you could only bring 2 things. It used to be potatoes for me, but now I'm thinking since I started keto that it would definitely be eggs. Adding the cheese was a good idea. This was amazing. It was so easy, so delicious, and one thing I find that as I do keto is that I eat less because it just holds me over longer, and instead of my blood sugar going like this, you know, up and down and just crashing and burning, the foods I eat make me feel so much better, and I have better energy levels. Like, it's just a constant thing, and like I say, I just don't feel as hungry as I usually do. So that will hold me over quite nice now, and maybe I'll have one more thing to eat tonight before, like, probably before 8 o'clock, but right now it's after lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and do some more work. I hope you guys will subscribe to my vlog here. Make sure you hit the little bell icon, because what it does is it notifies you every single time that I do another upload, which will be quite regularly on this channel. We're just getting started, baby. And here is my question of the day. You guys saw the prices that I shared with you, like $7.99 when I was at my local thrift store hunting and junking and picking today. I'm curious, how does those prices that you saw, the $5.99 to $7.99 to $12.99, those types of prices, stack up to what you are seeing in your area? Tell me where you're watching from, and tell me the average price of, say for example, if you went out and you found some similar pieces. I'd love to know what you're seeing in your neck of the woods. All right, and with that, I am off to paint. See you again tomorrow. Thank you guys so much. Bye.